What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today is get all the little details taken care of and finish this build once and for all. If you didn't catch the last upload, which you should, yes, she's alive and very loud, and I love it. But anyway, here's the thing. Got quite a few little projects we got to do. I'm about to do the back brakes, get those finished up. There's a couple connections we need to make in here, the turn signals and like the lights and all of that. We got to get those into the control pad, put the interior back together. You know, that's pretty much it. We got to put the Maximum Motorsports bump steer kit right here. We got to get all that on the car and make sure all the bolts and stuff are tight on the front suspension. But everything's pretty much good here. I'm missing one pigtail for the air conditioning, and then we'll be able to take it and get the air conditioning charged up. I need to do an alignment. We need to get the drive shaft in. Just a lot of little stuff like that. But right now, let's get these back brakes on. All right, guys, so I'm battling the battle of the rear brakes right here. I got the lines on the new calipers and all that. Problem is my brackets, I got a slide stuck. It doesn't want to come out. I may end up having to get new brackets, but that slide is stuck too. Does not want to come loose, and it's really trying my patience. But on the other side here, got the new caliper here and new bracket. Again, these are just 9904 Mustang rear calipers. At some point, I'll probably put on you know, the full Cobra brakes or maybe something from Bear. But you know, this is going to work for now. It's going to do fine. It's going to stop 100% better than it ever did. I mean, they're essentially the same brakes on a 9904 GT, which is quite a bit heavier than this car by probably 600 to 700 pounds. And you know, it's going to be plenty of stopping power. I'm not worried about it. And you know, when time and budget allows, I'm going to put the better stuff on it. So, but anyway, I've got to get back to fighting these brakes. So, catch up with you in a minute. All right, guys. So we are putting the heat, as you can see, to these slides. Alex, how you feel about that?
Hot.
Hot, very hot. Putting some heat to the slides because both of them had locked up slides, and we have put them in vice grips on the vice and everything else, and they're not wanting to come out. So, but in the meantime, while we're doing that, we're going to lift it up. We're going to put some tranny fluid in, yeah? Well, top the tranny fluid off, obviously. Make sure that's good and full, and here we go. Okay, guys, so we did get the slides out of the caliper brackets, so we're ready to bolt them on. Now we just got to shorten these lines up. The newer lines come out to about here, so I've got to shorten these up a little bit and reflare them, put the fittings back on it, and then bolt the rest of the brakes up. Like I said, there's calipers, and then brackets are over there. Rotors, got to turn those, and back brakes are done. So nothing to it. Ken, how do you feel about that? Ken, awesome. We're killing it, dude. Yeah, we're killing it. Yeah. We got the transmission topped off. It's nice and full. So you can see over here again, this needs to be cut back quite a bit, and we'll be good to go. This thing is going to be phenomenal. Big old Moser axles, panhard bar, control arms, springs. Phenomenal. I love it. Ken, how do you feel about that again? I always ask Ken how he feels about things, and he never really has an answer for me. Oh well. All right, guys. So Alex has not heard the car. Are you ready, Alex?
Ready.
All right. Let's let her rip, Tater Chip. Oh my holy God! Did you play? Yeah. Even though we haven't got the rest of the turn downs for the exhaust, we had to know what this is going to sound like. Pretty sure it's not going to quiet down much, but we'll know in a minute. Yeah, we will definitely know in a minute. All right, here we go. 3-inch exhaust, baby. Let's hear what she sounds like. Full 3-inch exhaust. See if it's really quiet. Wow. That quieted down a bunch. Wow. That's really quiet. Hit it again, Nova. Yeah, no kidding.
Your neighbor's gonna love you.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're having some issues here. These 3-inch flow tubes just do not fit. Like the angles are totally wrong. And they're supposed to be for these cars, and you can see that's what we're having to do. And the problem is, like, when we get them up there, it's pointing just directly at the rear end. So we're having to cut and re-weld and angle them off towards where the mufflers normally go. So par for the course when you're doing a coyote swap or any type of swap like this. It is what it is. But the car is running. The car is almost driving, and I could not be any happier. This has been a really long road, and that final moment when I get to pull it out of here is going to be pretty freaking awesome. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and the next time you see me, hopefully